In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Slack. By the end, you'll have the Slack connection enabled from within Notion, so your workspace can route updates and stay aligned without switching apps. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct Notion workspace and that you have permission to manage integrations. If you work in a team environment, it's a good idea to confirm with your workspace admin that connections are allowed. Start inside Notion and head to your profile menu. You'll find your avatar or profile icon in the app's corner. Click it to open the menu. This is where Notion gathers your personal and workspace controls, and it's the quickest way to reach the settings you need. If you're part of multiple workspaces, double-check the workspace name at the top so you connect Slack to the right place. Next, open Settings. This brings up a dedicated window or panel with all configuration options. You'll see sections for account details, workspace preferences, and more. We're interested in the area that manages apps that plug into Notion. Go to Connections. This is your control center for third-party apps. Here you can view what's already enabled, manage permissions, and discover new tools that extend Notion's capabilities. It's helpful to think of Connections as the bridge between Notion and the rest of your team's software. Click Explore to browse the available integrations. Explore opens a curated catalog, making it easy to find official and trusted apps. You can scan by category or use the search field if you prefer a more direct path. Locate Slack and select it. The Slack page will outline what the integration can do, such as keeping conversations and project updates closer together. Take a moment to review the description so you know exactly how this connection will support your workflows. When you're ready, click Start Free Trial. This begins the integration on your Notion side so you can try the Slack connection and see how it fits your team's needs. You may see plan details or a notice about what's included during the trial. It's worth reading those carefully so you understand the scope and any limits before moving forward. Once the trial is active, you'll see Slack listed back in your connections area, confirming the link is enabled. From here, your workspace can streamline communication by keeping key Notion activity visible alongside your Slack conversations. If Slack doesn't appear right away, refresh Notion and verify you're in the correct workspace with the right permissions. That's it. You've connected Notion with Slack directly from the Notion settings, using the built-in Connections catalog and free trial to get started.